Good morning, friends. This is the seventh video of chapter 33. Today I am going to talk about the effects of three planets when they are in the 10th place. First, when there are Sun, Mars, and Mercury in the 10th place, one will be fortunate, excellent among men, he will be equal to a king, and will be honored by all. Next, when there are Sun, Mars, and Jupiter in the 10th house, he will be fortunate, he will destroy his enemies, and he will be plentiful. Next, when there are Sun, Mars, and Venus in the 10th house, he will be cruel, adventurous, he will steal others' wealth, and he will be highly skillful. Next, when there are Mars, Saturn, and Sun in the 10th house, he will be intent on doing cruel acts, he will be foolish, sinful, and he will be bad in conduct. Next, when there are Sun, Mercury, and Jupiter in the 10th house, he will be a learned person, beautiful, righteous, and he will be dear to his relatives. Next, when there are Mercury, Sun, and Venus in the 10th house, he will be famous, righteous, devoid of anger, unconquerable, and he will have fortunes and plenty of robes. Next, when there are Sun, Mercury, and Saturn in the 10th house, he will be cruel, fickle-minded, he will not be virtuous, and he will be afflicted by weapons and fire. Next, when there are Sun, Venus, and Jupiter in the 10th house, one will be fortunate, he will earn by learning, he will be righteous, and he will always enjoy pleasures. Next, when there are Sun, Saturn, and Jupiter in the 10th house, he will be devoid of any history, but still honorable and valorous. Next, when there are Venus, Sun, and Saturn in the 10th house, he will be miserly, fickle-minded, and he will be prohibited by all. Next, when there are Mars, Mercury, and Jupiter in the 10th house, he will be righteous, he will have a large family and many children, and he will be learned and wealthy. Next, when there are Mercury, Mars, and Venus in the 10th house, he will be interested in fine arts, he will be a dealer of garlands, he will be a goldsmith and dear to all. Next, when there are Saturn, Mars, and Mercury in the 10th house, he will be righteous and he will be addicted to sleep, wicked, and dirty. Next, when there are Mars, Venus, and Jupiter in the 10th house, he will be wealthy, valorous, and he will be interested in honoring gods and Brahmins. Next, when there are Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars in the 10th house, one will be bereft of learning, wealth, and near and dear. He will be mean. Also, he will be bereft of happiness and he will be deformed or distressed. Next, when there are Mars, Venus, and Saturn in the 10th house, he will be a minister or an excellent personage. He will be interested in others' religions. He will be wealthy and he will have many professions. Next, when there are Mercury, Venus and Jupiter in the 10th house, all his desires will be fulfilled. That is, he will be happy in all respects. Next, when there are Mercury, Jupiter and Saturn in the 10th house, he will be interested in authorship and literature. He will be wealthy. He will be a very modest servant and he will be fond of wandering and he will be beautiful. Next, if there are Saturn, Mercury and Venus in the 10th house, he will be endowed with wisdom. He will be a boxer. He will be interested in living in foreign countries, diligent and tamed like an elephant. Next, when there are Jupiter, Saturn and Venus in the 10th house, he will be a learned person, righteous, kind and truthful person. Thank you.